Yo, hey guys, it's Steven here. So today we're gonna make a special unboxing of this thingy we've got here. This package I have here. This is a Aoshima Initial D model kit. So we're gonna unbox it. Let's do it. Waiting for this stuff for almost 2 weeks now. So it finally arrived. So let's unbox it as fast as we can because I'm excited, bro. So I have to remove this with my trusty scalpel here, like we always do. Okay, let's rip it open. Let's see what's inside. Man, this is exciting, man. Alright, yo. Wait a minute, my lights turned off. There we go, guys. So there it is. We're halfway there. I need to remove some of these masking tapes with the X-Acto knife, scalpel, or whatever you want to call it. There it is, there it is. I can already see the package, yo. Would you look at that in all its glory, guys. There it is. Here's the box. Here it is at the side, and AE86 logo. There we go. At the top here, all the stuff you need. Okay, sorry the video stopped because my storage got full. I need to adjust some settings. So we're back. So let's open it up. Okay, here we go. And here we have the receipt. We have here an instruction manual. It has instructions here how to put on the whole assembly kit. It even has an engine there. So we're gonna put that aside. We have here the parts. This is from the front of the AE86 and this is at the back bumper. And these are the engine parts. Yeah, we got here individual engine parts right there. This is the top, I guess. Tubes there. And wheels. And then we have here the top windshield. And then here's the AE86 body. And then we got here the interior parts. Got here the chairs, seats, and this is the wheel right there. I don't know if you can see it. And this is the dashboard. There it is. And then this is the bottom part. This must be the tail lights, and we got some stickers. It's we're gonna show these stickers from this is the plate numbers, and this is the Fujiwara Tofu Shop sticker on the side, and then the seller's sticker. Is this a sticker? And then we have here additional parts. This comes from the bottom of the AE86. What else do we have? So this is the hood. Is there there's a black chair, bucket seat. And then what are these? Taillights, I guess. An additional wheel, black wheel. So it depends on you. You can go with the brown one or the black one. So there we go. So I guess that's it for this unboxing, guys. I still need to unpack this and probably start a little bit tonight and work over it on the weekend. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.